Hi! In front of me is NOKIA G11 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Firstly, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in Magic Fluids. Now install this free app from this developer and open it. Over here you need to click on those three lines at the bottom right corner and select Settings. Then click on I accept in this pop-up. And now adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you want to. After that, click on the top right corner and bottom one again. This time though, choose Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Set Wallpaper and tap on one of those options. I will go with home screen only. So when I go back, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!